Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, known for their intelligence, strength, and gentle nature. They belong to the family Elephantidae and are mainly found in Africa and Asia. African elephants are larger than Asian elephants and have bigger ears, while Asian elephants have smaller ears and a more rounded back. Elephants have a distinctive gray, wrinkled skin that helps regulate their body temperature. Their most notable feature is their long trunk, which is an extension of their nose and upper lip. The trunk is a highly versatile tool used for breathing, smelling, drinking water, grabbing objects, and even social communication. Elephants are herbivores, meaning they eat only plants. Their diet consists of grass, leaves, bark, fruits, and roots. An adult elephant can eat up to 300 kilos of food in a single day, spending most of its time grazing and foraging. They also drink large amounts of water, consuming up to 200 liters daily, which is essential for their survival. Their strong molars help them chew tough plant material, but their teeth wear down over time and are replaced several times throughout their life. Elephants are also known for their role in shaping the environment, as they create pathways in forests and help spread seeds by eating and excreting fruits. One of the most remarkable features of elephants is their tusks. These long, curved teeth are made of ivory and are found in both male and female African elephants, while only some male Asian elephants have tusks. Elephants use their tusks for various purposes, including digging for water, stripping bark from trees, lifting heavy objects, and defending themselves against predators. Unfortunately, their tusks have made them a target for poachers, leading to a significant decline in their population. Illegal ivory trade remains a major threat to elephants, despite global efforts to ban it. Elephants are highly intelligent animals with excellent memory and problem-solving skills. They have large brains and display emotions, such as joy, grief, and compassion. When a member of their herd dies, elephants often gather around the body, touching it gently with their trunks, as if mourning. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, a sign of self-awareness, which is rare among animals. Elephants communicate using a variety of sounds, including low-frequency rumbles that travel long distances. They also use body language, ear movements, and trunk gestures to convey messages to other elephants. Elephants live in social groups called herds, which are usually led by the oldest and most experienced female, known as the matriarch. The herd consists of female elephants and their young, while males leave the herd when they reach maturity. The matriarch plays a crucial role in guiding the group to food, water, and safe shelter, relying on her memory of past experiences. Baby elephants, called calves, are born after a long pregnancy of about 22 months, the longest among land animals. They are cared for not just by their mothers, but also by other females in the herd, known as allomothers. Elephants have a deep connection with water and enjoy bathing in rivers and lakes. They use their trunks to spray water over their bodies to cool off in hot weather. Mud baths are also a favorite activity, as the mud helps protect their skin from sunburn and insect bites. Since elephants cannot sweat, these behaviors are essential for keeping their bodies cool. They are also strong swimmers and can use their trunks as snorkels while crossing deep rivers. Their love for water is one of the many unique traits that make them fascinating creatures. Despite their size and strength, elephants face numerous threats in the wild. Habitat loss due to deforestation, agriculture, and urban expansion has reduced their natural living space. Poaching for ivory has also caused a severe decline in elephant populations, especially in Africa. In some regions, elephants come into conflict with farmers when they raid crops, leading to human-elephant conflicts. Conservation efforts, including national parks, wildlife reserves, and anti-poaching laws, have been introduced to protect them. Organizations worldwide are working to create awareness and implement measures to ensure the survival of these majestic animals. Elephants play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. As ecosystem engineers, they help shape the environment by uprooting trees, creating water holes, and spreading plant seeds. Their presence benefits many other species by maintaining healthy forests and grasslands. Conservation projects focus on protecting elephant habitats, reducing human-animal conflicts, and stopping the illegal ivory trade. The survival of elephants is not only important for biodiversity, but also for maintaining the cultural and ecological heritage of the regions where they live. By protecting elephants, We contribute to the preservation of nature and the balance of life on Earth. Giraffes are the tallest land animals in the world, known for their long necks, spotted coats, and graceful movements. They belong to the family Giraffidae and are native to the open woodlands and savannas of Africa. Adult male giraffes, called bulls, can grow up to 18 feet tall, while females, known as cows, are slightly shorter, reaching around 14 feet. Despite their towering height, giraffes have only 7 neck vertebrae, the same number as humans, but each vertebra can be up to 10 inches long. Their long legs contribute to their impressive stature, and their distinctive coat patterns provide camouflage in the wild. The spotted pattern on a giraffe's body is unique to each individual, much like human fingerprints, and helps them blend into their surroundings, making it harder for predators to detect them. Giraffes are herbivores, meaning they eat only plant-based food, primarily leaves, flowers, fruits, and twigs. Their favorite food source is the acacia tree, which grows abundantly in the African savannas. Acacia trees have sharp thorns, but giraffes have specially adapted tongues and lips that allow them to eat the leaves without injury. Their prehensile tongues, which can grow up to 18 inches long, are dark blue or black, protecting them from sunburn as they feed in the open plains. Giraffes spend most of their day eating and can consume up to 75 pounds of leaves daily. Since their diet contains a lot of moisture, they do not need to drink water frequently and can survive for several days without drinking. When water is available, however, they drink by spreading their legs wide and bending down, a vulnerable position that makes them an easy target for predators. Drinking water is one of the riskiest moments for a giraffe due to its long legs and neck. Since they must spread their legs and lower their head to reach the water, they become an easy target for predators like lions, crocodiles, and hyenas. To stay safe, giraffes often take turns drinking, with some members of the group standing watch while others drink. This cooperative behavior increases their chances of survival in the wild. Although giraffes may appear slow and gentle, they are capable of running at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour over short distances. If they sense danger, they can escape quickly or use their powerful legs to defend themselves. A single kick from a giraffe can be strong enough to kill a lion or break a predator's jaw, making them formidable opponents despite their peaceful nature. One of the most fascinating aspects of giraffes is their circulatory system, which is specially adapted to handle the challenges of their extreme height. Their heart, which weighs about 25 pounds and is roughly 2 feet long, pumps blood efficiently to their brain, ensuring that they do not faint when raising or lowering their head. The walls of their arteries are thick and muscular, preventing sudden changes in blood pressure. Additionally, giraffes have special valves in their neck veins that regulate blood flow, preventing dizziness when they move their head up and down. Their large lungs allow them to take in more oxygen with each breath, supporting their massive bodies. These unique adaptations enable giraffes to function effectively despite their unusual body proportions. Giraffes are social animals and live in loose, open groups called towers or herds. Unlike many other animals, giraffes do not have strict social structures or territories. Their herds are often temporary, with individuals coming and going freely. Female giraffes usually stay together in groups with their young, while males either live alone or form small bachelor groups. Males compete for dominance through a behavior called necking, in which they swing their long necks and heads at each other in a battle for supremacy. These fights can be intense but rarely lead to serious injuries. The stronger male earns the right to mate with females, ensuring that only the fittest genes are passed on to the next generation. Reproduction in giraffes is a slow process, with females giving birth to only one calf at a time after a pregnancy of about 15 months. When a giraffe is born, it drops about 6 feet to the ground as mothers give birth while standing. Despite this sudden fall, newborn giraffes are quick to recover and can stand and walk within an hour of birth. This ability is crucial for their survival, as predators such as lions, leopards, and hyenas constantly threaten young calves. The mother protects her calf fiercely, and in some cases, other female giraffes in the herd help watch over the young. Baby giraffes, known as calves, grow rapidly and reach their full height within a few years. They continue to stay close to their mothers for at least 12 to 18 months before gradually becoming independent. Despite their peaceful nature, giraffes face numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Human activities such as deforestation, agricultural expansion, and urban development have significantly reduced the natural habitats of giraffes. As trees and grasslands are cleared for farming and construction, giraffes are forced to move to new areas where food and water sources may be scarce. Additionally, poaching remains a serious problem, as giraffes are hunted for their skin, bones, and meat. Some cultures use giraffe tails as symbols of status, while others believe their body parts have medicinal properties. Climate change has also affected rainfall patterns, leading to prolonged droughts that reduce the availability of food and water. These challenges have contributed to a decline in giraffe populations, making conservation efforts more critical than ever. Many organizations and wildlife conservation programs are working to protect giraffes and their habitats. National parks and wildlife reserves provide safe environments where giraffes can live and breed without the threat of poaching. Conservationists are also working to educate local communities about the importance of giraffes in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. Giraffes play a crucial role in their environment by helping shape the landscape. As they eat leaves from trees, they encourage new plant growth and help spread seeds through their droppings. Protecting giraffes benefits not only their species, but also many other animals that share their habitat. By supporting conservation efforts and enforcing stricter anti-poaching laws, humans can help ensure that giraffes continue to roam the African plains for generations to come.